Hey guys, this is Rashid from Clumio. In today's video, let's talk about Clumio Discover. Let's imagine our AWS console experience for a moment. Especially if you are managing accounts for an enterprise organization, you will have many accounts to manage. You may be operating in multiple regions and you have tons of services that you're using in each of your account. Just like walking into an IKEA store, and there are so many different ways to synthesize things based on everything that you see in various departments. The same thing is applicable when you're building services or applications in AWS. It's very powerful, very elastic, very convenient. But as you start to mature in AWS, something that quickly start to worry you is the sprawl of various things that you're managing in AWS. This is where Clumio Discover comes in. Specifically, in our very first iteration, we are focused on snapshot footprint. Many organizations are relying on snapshots as a way to protect data from various AWS services. You can look at AWS bill as a way to understand the snapshot cost on a broad scale, but it is very hard to tally those numbers to the actual consumptions in various projects that your organization has invested in. So what we have done in Clumio Discover is to give you that satellite view. If you think about your AWS accounts, regions, and services as your individual cloud footprint, what Clumio Discover provides you is a satellite view across all. You can zoom into specific accounts, regions, or services to dig deeper, to dive deeper into how you are consuming those snapshots. So how do you use Clumio Discover? Find us in AWS Marketplace, follow the prompt to add your account regions into Clumio Discover. A lightweight CloudFormation template will be deployed, using which the metadata related to your snapshot services for each of your accounts, regions, and services will be ingested into the Clumio platform, from which the dashboards are displayed. You can click on any of these widgets and it takes you to the respective detailed deep dive wizards. As an example, you may be able to click on the footprint on the main dashboard, which gives you the ability to dive deeper in the footprint view, where you get to see the overall snapshot footprint to begin with that can be sliced and diced according to service types, protection types, things along those lines. As you go to your footprint history view, it gives you a timeline of events on how your snapshot footprint is changing from time to time. You get to customize the timeline and again dive deeper. The cost comparison area, you get to see all the costs associated with various assets and services. So in a nutshell, Clumio Discover is really designed to help you give that satellite view across all your cloud accounts and let you dive deeper based on the heat map that we have generated for you. Now, here is the good news. The use of Clumio Discover is absolutely free. It doesn't cost you anything for you to use Clumio Discover. And as you start to make use of Clumio Discover, and you get to see where optimizations can be done, where waste can be eliminated, you can upgrade your accounts to Clumio Protect, using which the Clumio itself can manage those things for you, make those corrections for you, make those recommendations for you. That is the power of Clumio Discover when combined with Clumio Protect. Check us out at AWS Marketplace